Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, now it is trading at a level of $1.6460, as you can see looking at this particular chart, and chances can be high that, see, now the range is this particular zone, and I've already told you that if the price of any stock or commodities have to go up, it will not move directly a sharp upside till the time there is no big event is coming. It will move like this. In the same way it will come down. You can see like this. See, hold for some time. That is how it is coming down. Okay, you will not see a sharp rise, sharp fall till the time there is no big event is coming. Okay, otherwise this is how the market moves. Hold for some time. That is how it goes down, and similarly upside. Okay, I have to explain you two things. Understand that this level has come after 4 years, almost 4 years. Okay, so you have to understand when there is a zone breakout happening, probability of moving further upside or further high will be there respectively, how it is breaking upside or downside. Okay, and see, this was the zone. You can see it was moving in the zone of $3 and $2. So as soon as this zone move upside, we have seen a high of 3.5 and 3.6. After that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and after pandemic what you have seen that it was moving in. See, during the pandemic it was went down to a level of around 1.5, which is very close to it now, and chances can be high that it has come in the zone now. So probability is high that it can touch this zone, and if it started going below this level, a further downfall we can see. There are a lot of factors which are affecting the price of natural gas. Dollar getting strengthened. Okay, that is where the price of natural gas is coming down. Okay, one of the factors. And if you look at after pandemic what happened, whenever it was moving high, the profit booking was coming. And this profit booking, why it was coming? Because the pandemic situation was getting worse and people were booking profits. Okay, and then as soon as it started making new high, profit bookings are coming heavy. Okay, and the fall is good, so it forms a swing. That is where it goes going upside. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we can see, if you look at this particular trend that is trying to go upside, so it is in this zone. So if it started going above a level of $1.6750, then we can see there will be a zone breakout happens after 4-5 days. So chances can be high it can go further high. Let's see a dollar index also, where you will see clearly how it is moving. See, if you look at the dollar index, it is trying to go upside. It is a weekly chart, you understand. Or for this particular week we have seen there is a downfall. That is where it is forming a green. You can see in the natural gas, as you can see looking at this, green candles are forming because the dollar index is trying to go down for this particular week. But as soon as it started sustaining above a level of 104.3, you will see there will be a sharp rise again and a further upside movement we can see in the dollar index. Now let's see come again on the natural gas part. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, stock market trading live at gmail.com, at gmail.com. This is one of the mail ID I have given in the description also. Okay, and you can see flashing downside. Okay, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. So now let's see if the price sustain this level. What we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards a level of $1.678. If the price started going above that level, a further high we can see towards its next resistance of 1.6957. As soon as the price started moving above that level, there will be a zone breakout. So chances are high it can go towards a level of 1.8071, and from there a probability of crossing a level of around $1.8761. Okay, and this is a weak high, so probability is high. As soon as started going above that level, a further high we can see towards 1.9 and then to a level of $1.9933. Okay, and this is the zone. If it started going above that level, we can see it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of $2.0834. Okay, and if the price started moving up that particular zone, a further upside we can see towards $2.1528. Okay, this $2.1528 is already been a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards $2.2453. Okay, and once the price started moving above that particular zone, a further upside towards 2.3853 will be there, and if that level sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards $2.50216, and this $2.50216 is already being a weak resistance again, so probability of moving further upside we can see $2. Okay, and this level is also being tested, so chances are high we can see it will go further upside and it will go towards 2.9 and then it will cross a level of 3. Okay, for a particular day we will not see, but we can see there will be an upside movement of 0.500 or $300 ups and down. Okay, for in one or 2 days if the price keep moving out of this particular zone. But as I have already explained you that market is always uncertain, so if you are setting your SL you will save your capital. Okay, if you are trailing your SL you will save your profit. These two things you have to do. If you are doing these two things you will sustain for a longer period of time. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $1.6355. Okay, and if started moving below that particular zone we will see a level of 1.6009. This is the low of this zone. Okay, so if the price started moving below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards $1.5755. Okay, and if that level move further down we can see it will come towards $1.529. Okay, and if the price started moving below that particular zone we will see it can go towards $1.4350 and from there a further fall. Okay, as soon as the price started falling below 1.5 I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Okay, and chances can be high because this is an all-time low, so further downfall we can see towards 1.4 to a level of 1.3 also, and then it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this you can mail me or give in the mail ID is also on the